Hi, it's Beverly Carter. Today I'm giving a tutorial on how to log in to Study Island, create classes, assign students assignments, and view reports. So the first thing we want to do is to go to Jefferson County's homepage and click Students, Study Island. Your login's at the top right. Your username and password come from your school administrator for Success Maker or Study Island. So in your case at Highland, that is me. You email me and I will send you a username and password. Once you're in, your first stop will be your class manager to set up your classes. So click Class Manager. If you have already set up classes, they'll appear here. If not, we will add a new class. I will call this RTI B-Day. If you want to reward students for great scores, for instance 85, 90%, you might want to override the school preferences, which do not allow game mode, but you know, a student that gets 85% might deserve a carrot. So you might want to override that. You can also enable a scratch pad, which is handy. For 7th grade students, we would drop down next to the 7th grade list and click your students in your RTI for that day. If you do not see your students for that day, please email me and I will send those names to the district for them to enroll those students. That cannot be done at school level. Once you click Save, then we're going to return to the class manager and you should see the class that was created. We could edit it by clicking the pencil. We could go to the class page, which is what we're going to do to assign them. Give them assignments. So once we're to the class page, we're going to add an assignment. I click Create an Assignment. I might give it a title like Division of Fractions. And if I'm going to start next week, I would click Monday and maybe give them a couple weeks since the AB schedule. And you could give them encouragement or instructions here. They will see that. You could allow them to use a calculator depending on what you're trying to assess. For fractions, I'm not going to do that. You could override even your class preferences by lowering the score, maybe to reward them for hard work in this particular section. Next, I would click the program that I would like to use. Keep in mind, Study Island students are, according to the district, apprentice students who are 1 to 2 years behind grade level. For 7th grade, I might click 5th or 6th grade. I will click 6th grade in this case, and math. I will give them a pretest. Click on Division of Fractions. If I want to give them a little bit more challenge, I would click Yes under Constructed Response, which is a little bit more difficult and would prove mastery. We could also click Post-Test and Next and Save and Exit. Now we've set up a class with an assignment for a couple of weeks of division of fractions. We could deactivate it, or we can click the bar graph and look at how well our students are doing for that particular assignment. Your KCAS standard is here. Hopefully in the next year they will go to a Common Core standard. I think that's where they're heading. We'll go back to the class view. We could view details of the assignment. Again, we could edit or we could delete it. If you want to look at more reports other than just for that particular assignment, there are many reports that could be utilized. If you want to look at your RTI report for individual students, you can go in here and select a particular grade level, a particular student, a program that they may be working on, obviously the subject, and a particular topic, and view the report. Joe has not worked on any fractions, division of fractions, but if I had assigned it, this would be a great RTI reference to use for the tracking of students that we're trying to push forward, or any student for that matter. Keep in mind that students can use Study Island at home. This does not have to be at school. You will be able to see their scores in these reports even if they work from home. Another feature that's handy is this email report manager that allows you to email parents successes or due dates or lack of success for that matter. A lot of features in Study Island that can be useful. You can also create your own tests and your own assignments and print them out for your classes. Please utilize Study Island. We do not have a lot of resources available to us, but this is a free one to the school, and I'm hoping more teachers use it next year. 6th grade was very good this year. 8th grade worked also. 7th grade we need some work. So let's keep in mind, and if you have any problems, give me a shout on email or call me, and I'll do what I can to help you. Thanks. Have a great day.